Frank, what are you doing up there?
I'm still painting
the painting never stops, right?
the lobby.
Yeah, never stops.
Never stop.
Oh my gosh. All right, guys.
6.
We're getting close. We're getting close. A few more days left where we open up. And I'm being vlogged as I'm vlogging. I'm being vlogged as I'm vlogging over here. Hi, Lisa. Oh, you're double. I'm getting double videoed here.
Nice to see you.
But you're covering your face with your phone now. You're hiding. You're hiding. Here. There you are.
Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Sorry.
We have bar stools coming in, guys. The completed bar stools are here. The rest of our booths are here. More painting going on back here. All the people are painting, getting us the last touches going. There's always something. And we are putting all the bar stools together. Mercy, is that the way they're supposed to look? Caught you. They're spacing them all out, seeing how they look. Looks good to me. Lots of elbow space, elbow room here. I got to get rid of this epoxy. It's stinking up the whole place. We have epoxy coming in. We're going to do an epoxy resin over the top of this bar top. You know, it's tile, so it's kind of hard. This will be hard too, but it won't be hard like this tile. So it'll give it a nice look as well. But that just came in today. And yeah, it looks like some good spacing here your girls are doing. And here comes the rest of our missing booth seating. Getting ready to go into place here. Let's see how what kind of a perfect fit we have here. Should be a perfect fit. It's tight. It's a tight squeeze. Uh-oh. Got to make it straight. There we go. It's still tight. Just got to make a little bit of room somewhere. Just like a puzzle. We'll move this one in a little bit. Now. Is that enough? That's all I got. There's no more. Maybe that corner has to be moved. What's up, everybody?
Hello.
It's been a few days, I know. I guess you kind of wondered why. We've been quite busy getting ready to open up this hotel and restaurant, getting it all ready for you guys. Check it out. We're ready right here. Look. We got stacks of toilet paper. Stacks of toilet paper and paper towels, ready to fill the rooms up. It's been shopping day. Yeah, we've been shopping, getting the kitchen all stocked up. We'll show you a little bit what's been going on in the last few days. We're about there, guys. Not long now. Oh, doing a lot of work here in the office. It was filled with boxes, all the deliveries. It's starting to come together now. Did a little patchwork on my air conditioning hole here. Got to keep the bugs out, and it's got a screen on it, but I stuck this to the wall. It's coming apart. I need to put some better glue on it. Just a temporary fix for now. Keep the heat out of here till we get an air conditioner put in here. We're going to focus on you guys getting air conditioners working in your rooms before the office gets one, right?
Absolutely. My new house.
Your new house. Been staying in the office a lot, haven't we? Let's go through here and turn on some lights. It's dark in here.
Yeah, I know.
It's late. We have some linens getting ready to be picked up at the laundry. We're going to freshen them all up. We're getting there, guys. We are getting there. We finished papering a bunch of rooms. And look at this restaurant coming together.
Look at all the glasses clean and shiny.
Yeah. The girls have been doing dishes and putting everything away, but look at this place coming together nicely. Give some lights. Put some lights on the subject. There, that's a lot better. There we go. This place is coming together nicely. We got all of our booths in place. Got a few cool little bits of license plates up on the wall here. Some artwork. More to come there. Getting it all put back together. Trying to reorganize, make it look right. This is one of the few things we kept that was in the old restaurant here when we took this over. It's this little bottle cap deal. I thought it was pretty cool, so we kept that. And of course, the coffee, pizza, beer signs. We got some wine racks hung up over here. We got to put some bottles in there. The bar is just looking wonderful. It's getting laid out right here. Got plenty of stemware and glasses and everything, even though we're just opening up for breakfast. In the beginning here, guys, we're not going to have the bar open right away, but we will probably do some late breakfast drinks from the bar. Who knows? Yeah, we got the big screen hung up here, big 65-inch TV. And we also have some more artwork over here with some of our favorite countries.
Yes, yes.
Mexican food, got some cheeseburger signage, old San Miguel, Philippines, USA, Mexico on the wall there. I love this seating area right here. It's really nice.
Looking good, looking good.
Yeah. We still have some work in progress going here, the last few little final touches. I like this setup over here. We got a couple bottles of wine just to test it out. Just open the bottom and drink up, right? That's a perfect spot. Just get your mouth right up under here and just pop the cap, unscrew the cap. Here's one of the best signs in the place. Alcohol, because no great story ever started with someone eating a salad.
Exactly.
How true is that, guys? We got some signs over here as well, some license plates with little mistakes we got to patch up. We had to relocate these a little bit.
Just keep the secret, guys.
Yeah. representing a lot of countries around the world. I love these license plates. I thought that was a cool touch, and we have some more artwork coming in for the rest of the place. Just making sure the restaurant's getting decorated up nicely. And then we did some shopping, starting to get it all laid out in the kitchen. Check it out, starting to look like a real kitchen. We got some shelves to hang yet, but we got the goods coming in. Got some Miss Butterworth's syrup. We got it coming in. All the food starting to come in here. Loading up the fridge and load the freezer. Just got to organize it and get it all put away. What are we going to do here? Look at this. Nice little waffle maker. Check that out. Very nice. We got as a grill top, custom grill top we made here, and put some light on the subject. We got as a custom burner or grill top to fit over this burner. Very nice. Stainless little griddle top. And I thought about this and I said, you know what? We can utilize one of these 4 burners. And I had this custom made to fit right over the top of this burner. Very well constructed. Had this made by some metal shop here in town. Can't remember the name. But this is going to do nicely. I got to get some feet on here so it doesn't slide around too much. But that'll serve as well for now. Of course, we're going to have some deep fryers over here. But yeah, we're trying to get it all organized and ready to go. The fun never ends, guys. The fun never stops.
You show the silverware.
Oh, I didn't show the silverware. You got the silverware all laid out over here? They got this all laid out, everything cleaned, ready to go. Very good. We're getting there, guys. We got to fill up our salt and pepper shakers, get them out on the table.
Yeah, everything's clean.
Yeah, it's very clean. Smells great in here. All right. So what do you think? You getting excited there, girl?
I am.
Look at those coffee cups lined up there. You think we got enough coffee cups? My goodness.
I think we're gonna need more.
We might need more coffee cups. Check that out, like soldiers. All lined up. And that's not one deep, I don't think. That's two deep. Yep. Come together well. Got a little coffee grinder in. Got a percolator. Make sure we have plenty of fresh brewed coffee. We'll probably upgrade our coffee system here in the near future, but we're gonna start out some percolator coffee. I've always liked that coffee. It makes a lot. We'll never run out, guys. We're gonna get some good quality coffee in here too. Thought we would just give you a little update. Today is the 11th. We have 5 days until we open. And we are getting ready. Whether we're ready or not, we're gonna open on the 16th. The morning of the 16th, guys. Come on in, have breakfast with us. The website's gonna be live, I think tonight, if not tomorrow night. I know I keep saying that, but we're trying to make it all right, put the final touches on it. Our rooms are gonna start from $1,200 a night on up. And I know a lot of you have a lot of questions. How much are the prices? That's where we're aiming for. That's going to be a little bit of price point for everyone. The budget traveler and somebody who wants to spend a little more will have those rooms too. Especially this 101 down here we fixed up nicely. We've done some rearranging, done a lot of painting. Looking good. Got us a monitor TV screen up here at the front desk. It's going to have our rates and other information about the restaurant displayed there. Got us a computer system here at the front desk. All done. Girls have been training at the front desk on how to use our booking system that we have that will be available through all of the major booking sites that you're familiar with. Agoda, Travelocity, Airbnb, you name it, hotels.com. We're going to be on all of them. But I do recommend that you book through our website because our website will be the best way to book, and we'll have more information on that soon. Our website is live. It's drakehotelangeles.com. You can go ahead and check that out, our website there, and you can push the book now button, but it's not going to let you book yet. Give it another 24 hours or so. We're uploading photos of the rooms and all that right now.
Yes. It's pending just a little bit.
It's coming soon.
Yeah.
I know the sooner we get that live, the more bookings we'll have, but this is a soft opening for the restaurant and hotel. Hopefully we can, we've got several people ready to book already, so we'll have a few guests right out of the gate.
We already
But
have some.
I think we're gonna do well. I think our rates are good, our rooms are decent, we have good water pressure, hot water in the showers. The rooms are very clean, freshly painted, wallpapered. We went through the worst of the rooms first, and we've updated most of those, and we still have a few more to go, but we'll speed it up if we start filling this place up. If we're 75% booked, I'll be happy to rush and get the rest done.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. Anyway, guys.
Hopefully soon.
It will be soon. It's cranking. Getting ready to open this place up for you guys to enjoy here, the Drake. Sometimes the best just won't do. So you got to stay at the Drake.
Yeah, it's a fun place.
It's going to be fun, guys. Thought we'd update you guys on what's been going on with us. We appreciate you waiting for us.
Thank you for your patience.
Yeah, thanks for your comments and all your ideas. A lot of people have been sharing your ideas with us.
Thank you.
And what you think would be good for us and what would work best for us. I do thank you for that. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.